Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So in this video I am going to demonstrate what is Looker Studio. Looker Studio is a Google product and it has a two flavor, which is Looker Studio and Looker Studio Pro. Looker Studio Pro is a charge product and Looker Studio is a freeware, and this product is good for you to create some POC for your company, for your client, so you can use this product. So kick off your project. So lookerstudio.google.com, here is the URL. If you type in, and you can access these sites. So let me show in this video what features we have. For example, I want to make this type of dashboard which is has data source coming from SQL Server, but keep in mind that SQL Server should be available in cloud, so you need to whitelist the cloud IP. Like for example, I have used these two tables in my dashboard. I can filter it, the data based on my colors and any other combination I can apply. So filter option is available, and this is a pretty simple way, but I can use any chart like bar chart, line chart, and similarly other chart as well. So I am going to demonstrate most of the feature. Let me click on edit. This is the edit view. So we have a multiple pages. We can develop multiple pages, like page number 2 is referred to my fact internet sales and fact reseller sales. So fact reseller sales data is loading, and page number 1 is available to fact internet sales. So uh, we can have a data, and we can create, let me show on the top side that in a file we can theme, layout, and download as PDF, embed the support, and in edit we have a normal feature, cut, copy, paste, delete. View, in view we can see the size of the canvas. Here is the chart types. We have different chart types like heat map, tree map, and combo, column chart, table chart. You already familiar with this type of chart, so it's available free in Looker Studio. And page, if we want to create a new page, we can replicate or duplicate page, even we can delete page, and order resources. So we have a lot of feature in available in freeware. So this is a data pane where we can blend our data. I will explain you later in this video what is blending. So filter our data, we can apply filters. So let's say we have a different tables, and I want to use as this table like add data. If I want to add one more source, or here is we can add data. If we click on add data, so here we have a different data sources like Looker, Amazon, Redshift, Postgres, MySQL, SQL Server. So we have a lot of uh, connectivity available. Okay, so but for this SQL Server, I already told you that we need a cloud base, like it should be on Amazon or maybe EC2 or AWS. So you need to whitelist the IP as well. So there are a lot of lists. If I scroll down, I think more than 800 if I am not wrong. So, and let me also show some other features like what we can do. We have created some filters, we have aggregate values, and we have a chart controls. In control we can put our checkbox, and in chart, like let me click chart. So here you can see the list of chart available. However, you can see the chart in a view as well. And let me click this one to edit my data source. If I want to edit my source, edit my any fields, so these are my fields. If I can add a field, I can click, I can add a connection, this source is actually currently coming from Google Sheet, so it's telling me that I am fetching data from Google Sheet. I can hide the filter. I can use like first row as header, so like that. So here we have all the uh, data tables which are associated with my this sample data AWH. So you can see the connector type all are Google Sheets, right? And similarly we can blend our data. Actually blending is an important concept here. Blending means we can combine two tables with our different type of join. For example, I want to combine fact internet table with product table using left join. So I can have a date table, I can have a customer table. So let's say I use left auto join. So blending is good feature. We can add our customized field like calculated field here. So you can found many options available, and in fact once you develop this report or dashboard you can also publish your report. So I hope you get a good idea how we can, if we want to use, what feature are available. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.